Okay, so the
I was going to say.
okay, so the 2 squishies are in the freezer, and the next dare. Where's the pen? Okay, the next dare is cut a squishy.
We can't do that. We're gonna do that at the end of the video because
Yeah.
it has a squishy we're gonna cut.
So the dare after that is throw a squishy at someone.
In my butt.
So I think
This one, and I'll throw it. I'm not gonna be showing like the person, but I'll show you me throwing it.
Okay.
no, too small.
I only have small squishies now, right now. I only brought small squishies.
I'm saying that's like tiny.
Oh yeah.
The tiny poo-poos.
Okay, I picked this yellow face tongue sticking out panda with chocolate inside.
And you might hear my dad because he's probably gonna say something when I throw it at him.
That's Grandma.
Oh my god.
Ready, Abe? You're gonna throw the basketball?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
And I do basketball.
You throw basketball?
Yeah.
You could throw your basketball into your little hoop.
Alright, so you throw that.
I missed.
Iba muy yo.
I completely missed, so I just walked up to him and threw it. I was like, so that was a success for me. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm waiting for it. Look at all this. Oh my god. My phone just fell. Look at all this glitter.
Don't do that. I'm not doing.
Okay.
Hey, come on. Here's your basketball.
Wash a squishy is the next squishy.
What?
Wash a squishy is the next squishy.
Did you just say wash the squishies?
So we're only be washing
Wait,
one.
the pen is right here.
This is Abby.
Yep.
Yeah, that's Abby's.
We're only gonna be washing one squishy, and this one is this one is the one we're gonna be washing. So let's see if it gets.
pen. I'm just crossing out the ones we did already.
So let's go to the bathroom.
Okay, throw a squishy at someone, and the last one is wash your squishy. And I'll pass that out with my side.
Uy, Ava. Ava, don't be going crazy like.
I'm not. Okay, so someone in the bathroom, so I'm going to be washing it over here. Oh, it's almost Thanksgiving, so there's a turkey in there. I don't know how to put it.
Lean it against the turkey.
There we go.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay. So here's some soap.
Here, you can stand up.
I'm so sad.
You want to see actually? Here.
Oh, wait.
Which one are you washing?
This one.
Oh, that, what's it called? Steam bun?
And I'm gonna rub it in.
You see that? You look at it. It's going to be all clean.
And I'm gonna
I
wash
got
it.
it.
Don't make a mess, guys. Ava.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready? Ready? So cool.
Oh my god, this is like so much cleaner. And it is less low riding. But it's so much cleaner. Oh my god, I'm drinking hot water right now.
Ok, ahora sí. Hablando, ¿verdad? Todas las cajas de pizza no tienen nada.
So I'm done. Whoa. And the squishy is way less, so low rising. Wow. So I'm gonna put that in the freezer for a little.
And then he said, "Stop, you not baby."